Alright, guys, you're welcome back to the continuation of our information and text mining, information retrieval and text mining lecture series. Today we shall continue with looking at the kind of retrieval models that we have. So basically, you can divide them into two categories. You have the exact match and ranking, or the best match. And under the exact match is what you have the Boolean models, which is based on set theory. And under the ranking or best match, we have the vector space models, which is based on algebra, and the probabilistic models. So let's look at the pros and cons of the exact versus the best match. In the exact match, queries specify precise retrieval criteria. So your query must be precise. Every document either matches or fails to match the query. That's the key thing there. So there's no way to put a scale or to put a ranking. It's either it matches or it doesn't match. It's either it is true or it is false. And that is why we have the Boolean model coming under that category. And the result is a set of documents that matches that. So there is really no ordering, as you know that set is unordered. But in the best match, you have query describes good or best matching document, and every document matches query to some degree. So it's the degree. There's a level. There's a kind of ranking of how the document matches the query, and the vector space model and the probability model fall under this category. So once again, the advantage of the exact match is very efficient. You can quickly implement it easily. It's predictable. You can easily explain it. Structure queries for pinpointing precise document. Works well when you know exactly what the collection contains, so you know the terms that are in the collections that you can just query. For instance, in a library catalog system. But the disadvantage is query formulation might be difficult for most users who are really not conversant with what are the terms in the document, the available terms. Difficulty in increasing the collection size, that may come as a result of when you increase the documents, the number of documents, the other document might be containing some extra terms that are not known before. The indexing vocabulary must be the same as the query vocabulary, and the ranking model consistently shown to be better. That's true. So let's look at the Boolean retrieval models. It's based on set theory. So you form a query, for instance, Q and B or not C. So each of A, your query equals to A and B or not C. Each of A, B, and C are the terms. So it's a logic expressions, and with document features as operand, it specifies precise relevance criteria. The model retrieves the document if and only if they satisfy the Boolean expression. So there is no level of in between, and the documents are returned in no particular order. So there's no kind of hierarchical return. We can use the hand hot not operator. Some systems also allow like near sentence paragraph. Most systems support simple regular expressions like the following. So this is an example of the Boolean models. You see we have three sets here. A, B, or not C. So since we have 3 terms, so we have 3 bits to represent that. So here is 100. So if we only have A, there's no B, there's no C. Here is 111, we have all the 3. So when you specify A and B and C, so it will fall in this place. If you say B or not C, so it will be the whole of B, then exclude C, so it remains this part and this part. And when you say and A, so this is where it matches with an A, so only this part, 110. So that's how that works. So you do that and you see the A part. So you have B or not C, so the whole of B or not C. So this is C, so you want to take C away. So you take the whole of C away, so it will be all this, not including B. And when you now hand that with A, so you'll be getting 110. And if you do this, you will see you have this is 11. And then here. So essentially this should give us 110. That's what you have here. So the drawbacks of the Boolean model: the retrieval based on binary decision criteria with no notion of patching. We talked about there is no ranking of the document. We said that the information, of course, has to be transformed to a Boolean expression. Most users will formulate 2 simple Boolean queries, and Boolean models frequently returns either too few or too many documents. So the next time we'll continue with the best match retrieval. Thank you for listening. See you in the next one.